only put the strawberries in some spots, and he's gonna have to figure out which spots they are. I'm sure he can smell them. There, yeah, so that way he won't be able to take it out so easy. Right. So I'm gonna put it on an empty hole and give it to the baby. All right, Yam. Can you sit? Can you shake? Good job. Well, this is a good one.
He's trying to eat it.
Well, he's trying to investigate it. Oh. He's trying to how do I do this?
There you go. Okay.
You got this. Look. You guys smell it. Oh, he played himself. He can smell them.
Yeah, we gotta push the cubes.
He's getting there. This is a really good one. He's really he's thinking. Oh. Good job.
Did you get one?
Yeah, look at him. Good job, Bubby. He didn't even eat it. Yam, you didn't even eat your reward. Here. He can smell the rest of them. This is a good one. This is the reaction I wanted from him with these.
Is there one behind that?
I don't know. I don't have them memorized.
It might be. Looks like he's...
Seems like he's getting the gist of it, kind of. As he, bite. That's his first instinct with everything.
Yep.
Good job! Yay! Good job!
You gotta eat it.
He literally won't, though. There you go.
There we go.